Okay, you catch up with yours.
I already have.
Okay.
Just kept it.
Did I put them on the right way? I guess so, I did.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how you put them on.
Doesn't matter.
They're always going to be in the same order.
Are they?
So the nice thing about LUGs is they don't have to be perfect order.
They always have to be in perfect order for me, it seems.
And then from there, you're gonna want to take another plate. We're gonna make a purple sandwich. We're gonna put it right on top.
Blue bricks above red. Yep, like that. So we should put this.
From there, we're gonna do the same thing as the last one, the red bricks and those blue spots.
Let me see yours.
After that, we're gonna take 2 more of these blue bricks. Right on. No, you guys have to be in. This is no better. This one was rain, so it's gonna work out. We're gonna cover it up. So first, we're gonna take this green plate right here. We're gonna add it on top. And then from there, we're gonna make the head of the ocean ground. So we're gonna take this green plate right here. Everywhere. There we go. Green plate, and then we're gonna take this green tile, this green tile, the green plate. And this little sandwich that we have.
What do you do?
Right here in the
Put it like that, and then put in the yellow screen to make the head a bit more round.
I like that.
before you put the tile, you're gonna look at the plate.
It goes like this. But this is on.
Let me see yours. Move your hand. Nice.
No, the tiles. And then from there, we're gonna take these triangles. Go right around.
She slopes.
Does anyone else know, or does anyone know where we're gonna go with the room?
I think we're gonna put the tiles on like this.
Y'all both got it. No, we're gonna put the tiles
Hey, can you help me with this?
all around. It's okay if there's a little overhang, but for the most part,
Put those on.
Yeah.
Thanks. Wow, what is that dumpling?
I don't know.
So what did he say was going to happen? Oh, we're making that little dude. Okay.
oh, there. Yeah. So I think out that stuff.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah, it's not going on. I don't want to do it. So you're gonna want to take I'll go around. So you guys, you're gonna want to take your green plate off first, and then you're gonna also take the stopper stop. You want to have.
Okay, would you get mine? Thanks. You got lots of time. The master builder messed up. What? Okay, so we're all broken down. You're all broken down. Nice. We're losing pieces, and I'm gonna put the little guys over here on the comic book. So we got two little guys. I don't know what happens to them at the end. All right. Oh, he's got the brick remover. Look at that. I love that tool, man. Remember when they first came out? I was like, what is this? We're good.
Okay. Sorry about that. You're gonna want to take the blue bricks. You're gonna go right on top. That was.
Oh, blue bricks right on top.
And then after that. Put the stoppers on.
Or are these opposite? The red's opposite?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now, before that,
I need some help.
green top one. Because Z-Law, let's see if you guys anyone from the show, Drake. All right.
Thank you.
Okay. So, you know,
It's hard doing it when you're filming.
literally, so because of that, and because the basketball players, they like to hire certain things into their Lego build. You guys ever got
Every
It goes in there?
yeah.
anyone like for instance?
Don't they have brands?
Huh?
Don't they have brands for kids?
Yeah. So like the builders from Lego, they like to hide things in there, like purple, random pieces. And if you ever had like a Lego set and you find like a random pink part in there, that means that day the Lego builders have a pink. So that's pretty. So with this piece, you're gonna put it right here in the middle. You can press it down or you just put it in. It's really easy. And then you're gonna take the green piece and put it on top. Oh, sorry. So then throw it there. Alright. Build it up and then
Did we do something wrong?
I don't know. I'm just trying to pull
you're gonna do what we did last time, the green plate and the green pile.
that. Everything's good.
And then the cheese pieces around.
I already know it's gonna happen. Just do
See y'all are getting ahead of me. There's the logo. You can start placing your 8 piles or plates around the entire.
that. So you put it on like that on every side.
Now we're going to close the ends. And this time they should be, but there's a little overhang that's like they should be but yeah, they should all pick it up. They should be the entire green.
Wait, what about this?
Yeah, it all goes on. Same thing on every side.
Try doing this with one hand. Nearly impossible.
And now you're going to do your black plates. You have place them right there. It doesn't matter what side. So, any of the sides. You're going to place them right in the middle. Both of them or both sides. You should end like this. And then you go to the eyes, wherever you would like. And now you have your easy wall. Which I love the
Yay.
Wait,
pictures with him. You guys play around with him.
help me.
But unfortunately, I have to stay here because
Help me. I can't move it. Hey,
What?
You broke my Lego. What does he do?
I don't know. You can just take pictures with him. You can do whatever you want. All right. Do you want the eye that one?
Yeah, just like that way. Yeah, looking up. Oh no.
All right. Now we got both the same one.
Yeah, yay. The end.